Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enter a Quick Assist security code on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button. In the search box, type Quick Assist. Now click on Quick Assist to open the application. Once Quick Assist opens, click on Help Someone. Quick Assist may ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. After signing in, Quick Assist can display a temporary security code and instructions. As you can see, the security code is shown on the screen, along with a countdown timer. This code is used to start a Quick Assist remote assistance session with another computer. If you are providing assistance, you can share the security code with the trusted person who needs help. The other person can then use the security code in their Quick Assist application to start the connection process. It is important to remember that this security code is temporary and should only be shared with someone you completely trust. Never share your Quick Assist security code publicly or with an unknown person. You may also see options such as share this security code and instructions. This option can be used to share the connection information with the person receiving assistance. For this tutorial, I'm not going to share the code or connect to another computer. I'm only showing you where the security code appears and explaining how it is used. The countdown timer is also important because the security code is only available for a limited amount of time. Once the code expires, you may need to generate a new code before starting another assistance session. After the other person enters the correct code, Quick Assist can continue with the connection process and show the required permission options. Always verify who you are connecting with before allowing remote assistance. And remember, never share personal information, passwords, or sensitive files during a remote assistance session. So the basic process is simple. Open Quick Assist, select Help Someone, sign in when required, generate the security code, and share it only with a trusted person. That's how the Quick Assist security code works. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.